What if the future of luxury living wasn't anchored to a single address, but free to roam wherever the road leads? What if your home could move with you without sacrificing elegance, technology, or comfort? Today, we explore a vehicle that dares to redefine what mobile luxury means. This is the 2026 Cadillac Motor Home, and it represents one of the boldest evolutions in American automotive design. Welcome back to Auto Xpert USA, the channel where we go beyond surface-level reviews and dive deep into the machines shaping the future of mobility. Today's episode is not just about a motorhome. It's about a new philosophy of travel, one that merges Cadillac's heritage of refinement with cutting-edge engineering and next-generation living. Cadillac has long been synonymous with prestige, innovation, and unmistakable presence. From iconic sedans to modern electric SUVs, the brand has consistently pushed boundaries. Now, with the 2026 Cadillac Motor Home, it enters entirely new territory. A rolling luxury residence engineered for those who refuse to choose between freedom and sophistication. In this in-depth episode, we'll explore every dimension of this remarkable machine, from its exterior design and interior experience to performance, technology, safety systems, pricing, ownership considerations, and what truly sets it apart in the ultra-luxury RV market. So settle in, because this may be one of the most ambitious vehicles ever to wear the Cadillac crest. From the moment it appears on the road, the 2026 Cadillac Motor Home commands attention. Its design language is confident yet refined, blending bold geometry with smooth, flowing surfaces. Inspired by Cadillac's modern design philosophy, the exterior feels less like a traditional RV and more like a futuristic grand tourer scaled to architectural proportions. The front fascia is dominated by a reimagined illuminated grille, framed by Cadillac's signature vertical LED lighting. These lights are not merely functional, they act as visual anchors, giving the motor home a striking, unmistakable identity both day and night. The sculpted body panels flow seamlessly along the sides, integrating expandable living sections that remain nearly invisible when retracted. Two-tone paint options combine classic luxury hues with rugged, adventure-ready finishes, allowing owners to choose between understated elegance or bold visual presence. Above, the roofline incorporates solar panels concealed beneath smoked glass, maintaining a clean silhouette while enhancing off-grid capability. At the rear, a concealed deployable deck transforms campsites into private viewing terraces, reinforcing the idea that this vehicle is as much about experience as transportation. Step inside, and the transformation is immediate. The interior of the Cadillac Motor Home feels closer to a private lounge or high-end penthouse than a recreational vehicle. Every material, texture, and surface has been carefully curated to deliver a sense of calm, comfort, and indulgence. Soft premium leather upholstery is paired with illuminated wood veneers and brushed metal accents, creating a warm yet modern atmosphere. The main living area features floating lounge seating designed to maximize space while maintaining openness. A rotating media wall houses a large OLED display, allowing the cabin to shift effortlessly between relaxation, entertainment, and work. The kitchen is discreetly integrated, hidden behind flush cabinetry that reveals itself only when needed. Inside, you'll find induction cooking surfaces, a premium refrigerator, intelligent storage solutions, and smart appliances designed for efficiency without compromise. Adjacent to the galley, dining and workspaces adapt dynamically, reflecting Cadillac's focus on versatility. The sleeping quarters are equally impressive. A motorized partition reveals a spacious bedroom centered around a king-size bed beneath a panoramic skylight. Ambient lighting adjusts automatically based on time of day, while climate zones personalize comfort for each occupant. The result is an environment that feels intuitive, serene, and deeply personal. Luxury, however, means nothing without performance to match. Beneath its refined exterior, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is powered by an advanced electric drivetrain derived from the brand's latest EV technology. A dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers exceptional power and control, ensuring smooth, confident movement even at full load. The motorhome produces well over 700 horsepower, paired with immense torque that makes acceleration effortless despite its size. A next-generation adaptive air suspension constantly monitors road conditions, adjusting ride height and damping in real time to provide a remarkably smooth, quiet driving experience. Energy comes from a massive high-capacity battery pack engineered for long-distance travel. Real-world range is estimated at approximately 350 miles per charge, while fast charging capability allows rapid replenishment during long journeys. For off-grid use, integrated solar systems extend energy independence, reducing reliance on external power sources. Handling is surprisingly agile thanks to advanced torque vectoring and intelligent steering systems. Whether navigating winding mountain roads or maneuvering into tight campsites, the Cadillac Motorhome feels composed and confident, redefining expectations for vehicles of this scale. Technology is where this motorhome truly feels like a glimpse into the future. The driver's cockpit is anchored by a sweeping curved OLED display that spans the width of the dashboard, delivering navigation, vehicle data, and infotainment in stunning clarity. Voice-first controls allow occupants to manage everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and blinds with natural commands. Cadillac's intelligent operating system acts as a digital concierge, learning preferences over time and proactively adjusting settings. Connectivity is seamless through 5G and satellite internet, ensuring reliable communication even in remote locations. An augmented reality windshield overlays navigation cues and hazard alerts directly into the driver's line of sight. Additional innovations include smart glass that adjusts opacity for privacy and light control, onboard drone integration for scouting campsites or capturing cinematic footage, and comprehensive environmental monitoring systems. The entire vehicle feels alive, responsive, intelligent, and deeply integrated with its occupants' lifestyle. Safety in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome goes far beyond traditional driver assistance. Advanced sensors and autonomous systems provide adaptive cruise control, lane management, collision avoidance, and low-speed automated navigation for tight environments. A sophisticated environmental mapping system assists with parking and campsite setup, reducing stress in challenging conditions. Inside, air filtration systems maintain high air quality, while structural reinforcements and battery safety measures enhance occupant protection. Remote monitoring allows owners to check vehicle status from anywhere, offering peace of mind whether parked in nature or urban environments. With all this innovation and craftsmanship, the Cadillac Motorhome naturally occupies the premium end of the market. Pricing is expected to begin around the low $300,000 range, with higher trims and bespoke customization pushing costs significantly higher. Fully personalized builds, developed in collaboration with Cadillac's design studio, can exceed $500,000. Yet this pricing reflects more than luxury. It represents engineering, exclusivity, and a new category of mobile living. Ownership is supported by Cadillac's nationwide service network, specialized financing programs, and concierge-level customer care. Reduced maintenance from the electric drivetrain and strong projected resale value further enhance long-term appeal. Ultimately, what makes the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome special isn't any single feature. It's the vision behind it. This vehicle isn't trying to imitate traditional RVs or retrofit luxury into utilitarian forms. It is purpose-built as a mobile sanctuary, blending freedom, refinement, and technology into a cohesive experience. It stands as a statement that life on the road doesn't require compromise. It suggests a future where travel is not an escape from comfort, but an extension of it. And in doing so, it reaffirms what Cadillac has always represented: confidence, innovation, and unmistakable presence. That brings us to the end of our deep dive into the 2026 Cadillac Motor Home. More than a vehicle, it's an invitation to explore further, live better, and redefine how luxury moves. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Auto Xpert USA, and turn on notifications so you never miss our explorations of the vehicles shaping tomorrow. Let us know in the comments, where would you take this motor home first? Until next time, drive boldly, travel freely, and stay inspired. This is Auto Xpert USA, signing off.